If you're looking to change your age in any supercell game, you can actually try to log into it and then go into settings, and you can actually see there's no way to change your age in any of these games. Now, I've even gone to the supercell website right here and logged into my supercell account, and even on the website there's no actual way to change your age. And I've actually done some further research, and you can actually see it is impossible to change a player's age after it's been initially set from the game's beginning. So unfortunately, whatever your age is set right now, you're actually gonna have to wait a few years if you're wishing to make it an older age or a younger age. But the best thing you can do is actually just create a new account. In doing so, you can actually just remember to set your age to the age that you wished it to be changed to on your current account. But the only thing you can really do, start a new account and actually change your age on that account initially with a pop-up banner or something like this, depending on the game. And that's the only real way to change your age on Supercell games. Now, unfortunately, that's the truth, even if that was not what you were looking for like I was, but I still hope you found this video helpful.